Dear friends, a warm welcome to Shastra channel. In this video, we will discuss the mystery of solar eclipse. First of all, the solar eclipse on 21st June 2020 will start approximately at 9 am IST and conclude by 3:10 pm IST. The maximum eclipse will be around 12 noon IST. The eclipse will be visible from all throughout India. Now let us know how the solar eclipse occurs. During solar eclipse, the sun, the moon and the earth come in a straight line, and the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and thus blocking the sun rays reaching the earth. Consequently, the people at those places which the sun rays cannot reach are unable to see the sun during that period. This is how solar eclipse occurs. Now let us discuss the main point, that is the mystery of solar eclipse. According to Nadi Shastra, we have a part 1 physical body, another body called as Sukshma Sharira, also known as etheric body or subtle body. The body is exactly in the same space where one's physical body is. The etheric body entirely controls one's physical body. Just as the mind of a person cannot be seen in his photograph, in the same way, the etheric body also cannot be seen. Now, as per the Nadi Shastra, this etheric body is made up of 3300 lines of forces called as nadis. Among these 3300 nadis, 300 are the most important, among which 3 are very much more important, and they work as leaders. They are Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Ida is lunar, that is, it is related and functions through the energies of the moon. In the same way, Pingala is solar, that is, it is related and functions through the energies of sun. Sushumna functions through the energies of cosmic fire. On the day of Amavasya, the earth receives tremendous lunar vibrations, and during the solar eclipse, which occurs during Amavasya, much more drastic vibrations are received as lunar vibrations are mixed up with solar vibrations. Thus, these solely lunar vibrations do impact upon the Ida and Pingala nadis, which in turn distribute this impact to all those nadis which are under their control, and thus drastic changes take place in the entire body during the period of eclipse. Much more, these reactions will be upon those persons whose constellations coincide with the constellations in which moon is during the eclipse, as well as the constellations in which afflictions with moon. Our ancient seers, who otherwise can be called as the scientists of metaphysics, knew that a common man will not have that much astrological knowledge, and thus they generalized some points to all, few of which we discuss here. Do not eat food. Do not have haircut or nails cut. Do not do hectic works which put pressure upon your body and mind. For those who are spiritually inclined, chanting of Aditya Hridayam, doing Surya Namaskaram and meditation. These spiritual practices attract lots of positive vibrations from the atmosphere which prevail during the eclipse period, which may bring lots of auspicious and prosperous changes in due course of time.